And welcome to Science with Von Einstein. We're going to have a little moment that we're going to talk about right here. And today's lesson is on density. So I'm going to show you that the more viscous or thicker the solution is, the denser it is. So you're going to observe what's going to happen. And as I'm pouring these, I'm going to have my four helpers introduce themselves.
Ellison from Miss Wood's class. I'm Jeremiah from Sierra's. I'm Don from Miss Rogers.
And I'm Clyde from Miss Wood's.
Okay, bring the mic over here. Someone hold it for me on the other side. Excellent. So what we're doing here is the bottom layer is honey. The second layer I'm pouring right now is water. The third layer is olive oil. Now my friends, my assistants, are going to drop different items into our solutions, and before they do, they're going to estimate or make a prediction or come up with a hypothesis about what will happen to each of the items. So first off, we're going to drop a nut. Okay, so she's going to predict what's going to happen first. What do you think will happen?
I think it's gonna sink.
Okay, go ahead, get real close on this. Let's see, everybody come look. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so what happened to it?
It sank.
So was your prediction correct?
Yes.
So your hypothesis was correct. Go ahead, next one. Next, we're going to drop in a tomato. What do you think will happen?
I think it's gonna float.
Where? Okay, let's try. Let's get real close. Everybody look. Okay, did it float all the way to the bottom? I mean, sink all the way to the bottom? Did it float at the top?
Oh wait, no.
No, it didn't, yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's make another prediction. This is a plastic cap. What do you think will happen?
I think it's gonna float.
Where?
Maybe like low yellow right here.
Okay, make sure that you get it under the first layer. Okay, let's watch. There you go. Oh, well, it still has air. Okay, let's look. Did it float on top of the honey, water, or oil?
Oil.
Really? The oil's up here. So did it float on top of the oil?
No.
What did it float on top of?
The water.
The water, excellent. Okay, last one. What do you think will happen?
I think it's gonna float on top of the oil.
What does he have?
Oh, tell us what it is.
It's
A sponge.
a sponge.
Okay, let's watch, guys. All right, well, let's see. So was his hypothesis correct?
Yeah.
Yes. And so different densities of solution or liquids will either sink or float an object. And I know a lot of you are talking about sink or float. So the nut sunk all the way through the thickest density. The tomato was kind of like between. And then the bottle cap floated on top of the water, and the sponge floated on top of the oil. And that is your Science Minute with Professor Von Einstein. Back to you next time.